Well, this time of year is all about color, and you have to come out to Wavra Farms and Nursery with Diane. And so, Diane, we love to do containers. They're so much fun, but you're going to give us a lot of tips with a demo and planting up this planter.
Well, sure.
Let's get on it.
So this weekend we have our planting of a pot. And so people can bring pots in or they can purchase them. So what we're going to do is we're going to help throw those together. So we're going to use a great Americana geranium for a nice tall center in this pot. This is going to be a sun pot. Now it's very important to make sure that you use a nice quality potting soil. And we're going to let you have your pick of which Miracle-Gro product you'd like, either moisture control or without.
Okay.
And you want to make sure that when you do plant this, if you're not doing it here, that you leave about a knuckle's worth of space so we have enough room for water in this pot.
Oh, that makes sense. So then it's not going all over the deck of the patio.
Correct. So I always get a lot of angry husbands that are trying to help those wives out, and that pot just keeps making a mess. So we want to make sure it stays down in there. So after you put your first pot in, then you can make sure it's down to about the line inside and your level's about right.
All right, and then what's next?
So we're going to add this gorgeous Selena full sun begonia.
Oh, so that's unusual. So they will take the full sun with the geranium.
It will. So we're just going to plop that in. We're going to get some nice color, do some peach.
That is a nice
with
contrast.
this bright hot pink.
Excellent.
I'm just going to plant straight across on both sides.
That makes it easy.
And then we're also going to use this Evening Star little calibrachoa.
And will that kind of trail a little bit?
It is going to trail. So what's going to happen is the geranium is going to be your center. It's going to give you some height up to about 15 inches.
Okay.
These little begonias are going to go about 12, so it's going to be kind of the tiered step. And then these little petunias are going to trail and cascade a little bit down the sides.
And I love that these are all kind of bright colors, they're contrasty colors. It really looks just vibrant.
It does. It gives you some nice color, and of course we always like to add a little of this white bacopa in there.
That is beautiful.
To get some nice trailing, some
I'll get
bright
this one.
color coming down the side.
And I noticed that you have some fertilizer here. So what do you want to say about fertilizer?
Well, so we always like to do a 6-month feed in our pots. That way the plants are fed when the weather is warm and when they're growing.
Okay.
And then we like to come back with like a liquid feed once a week and give them a little bit more of a boost, especially everything's growing as it gets warmer, and the faster it grows, we know it needs more food.
Oh, sure, sure. And then to go back to the event that's happening today, you don't have to sign up, you just have to show up, and you and your staff will just help put all this together if we're just so hard, we're not creative, and you really can help.
So basically, you can either purchase a pot here, you can bring your own pot. We'll walk around the nursery with you, help you pick out a variety of different things. You can do a sun pot, you could do a shade pot, you could do a hanging basket. Just kind of depends on what you want. What you do need to decide kind of is what colors you might want for your yard before you come.
Definitely, or else you can ask those questions about helping. And I saw that you also have vegetables.
We do. So that's another way that we can plant it for you. We can do a veggie pot if you live in an apartment or just have a small space.
Oh, sure. Really, you have something for everybody, and really, you can get finished things here too. So if you want to do one for yourself to bring home, or you can get finished baskets, finished containers, they have it here at Wavra Farms and Nursery. So please stop out today. You can go to our website and find their website, and then get out here today and have a blast. Thanks.
Thank you.